If you're wasting time every day on boring tasks like writing emails, organizing your tasks, or even editing photos, trust me, this video will change your life. Today, I brought you 7 free AI tools that, if you use them correctly, will save you hours of your time every single day. Tool 1, ChatGPT, or any alternative. This tool helps you write anything, from professional emails to full articles, and it can greatly cut down your writing time. Tool 2, Perplexity AI. Instead of wasting half an hour searching on Google, this tool gives you the answer directly, with sources. Tool 3, Notion AI. It organizes your tasks, ideas, and schedule, as if you had a personal assistant working with you 24/7. Tool 4, Gamma AI. You write a short paragraph, and it turns it into a full slideshow in just 1 minute. Tool 5, Opus Clip. Instead of spending hours cutting clips, this tool automatically edits your video and gives you the best highlights. Tool 6, Runway or Pika Labs. It transforms a simple idea or short text into a creative video. Tool 7, Durable AI. If you're planning to start a business or project, this tool builds a complete website for you in under a minute without writing any code.